if you don't have this device,
Okay.
and you still have to check what's going on with the thermocouple.
Mm-hmm.
So, well, I did the connection on the new one because I was not sure if that one is working. So, positive, negative.
Yeah.
And then on the multimeter, you go to the voltage settings. And you should see millivolts. Right now it reads 0.
Mm-hmm.
If you're gonna start to heat, gonna do that and it's gonna start to change. See? So,
Mm-hmm.
It's enough.
Very, very reactive.
yeah. If nothing's happening,
Right.
it's gone.
It's done.